MCQs of polymerase. Basic classification of polymerases includes how many types? 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct option is option D, 5. MCQs 2. Polymerase can be defined as an enzyme used to synthesize a new DNA or RNA strand on the basis of pre-existing strand or a time without a pre-existing strand. Correct option is option 1. MCQs number 3. Which of the following activity is not possible in the case of DNA polymerase 1? 3 to 5 exonuclease, 5 to 3 exonuclease, 5 to 3 DNA synthesis, 3 to 5 DNA synthesis. The correct option is option D, 3 to 5 DNA synthesis. MCQs number 4. Thermostable DNA polymerases are very important in PCR. How are they obtained? 1. They are obtained by heating the bacteria manually over high temperature. Option B. They are isolated from extremely stable thermophilic bacteria which are often found in growing in ocean vents. Option 3 is they are found everywhere in nature. Option 4 is they are obtained by genetically modifying the E. coli bacteria with thermal stability property. The correct option is option B. They are isolated from extremely stable thermophilic bacteria which are often found in growing in ocean vents. MCQs number 5. Which of the following enzyme is said as reverse transcriptase? Option 1 is DNA dependent DNA polymerase. B is RNA dependent RNA polymerase. C is RNA dependent DNA polymerase. D is DNA dependent RNA polymerase. The correct option is option C, RNA dependent DNA polymerase. MCQs number 6. Why reverse transcriptase enzymes are having comparatively high error rates than other polymerases? Option 1 is because they are not having 3 to 5 proofreading exonucleotic activity. B. Because they are not having 5 to 3 proofreading exonucleotic activity. C. Because they are having low rates of exonucleotic activity. Option D is it is difficult to synthesize DNA from RNA. The correct option is option 1. Because they are not having 3 to 5 proofreading exonucleotic activity. MCQs number 7. Which polymerase can be used in conjugation with appropriate phage promoter in order to have high level of specific transcription? RNA dependent DNA polymerase, DNA dependent RNA polymerase, RNA dependent RNA polymerase, DNA dependent DNA polymerase. The correct option is option B, DNA dependent RNA polymerase. MCQs number 8. Template independent polymerase are the enzyme which add nucleotide base without a template. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to these? Option 1 is they only add a single nucleotide. Option B is they only add a string of nucleotide and not a single nucleotide. Option C is terminal transferase adds a series of nucleotide at the 3 end. 4 is tag polymerase adds a single nucleotide at the 5 end of PCR product. The correct option is option C. Terminal transferase adds a series of nucleotide at the 3 end. exonuclease. MCQs number 1. Which of the following statement is correct with the respect to exonucleases? Answer 1. They only act on single-stranded DNA molecules. They only act on double-stranded DNA molecules. They remove single nucleotide base pair at a time. They remove nucleotide bases from middle of polynucleotide chain. The correct option is option C. They remove single nucleotide base at a time. MCQs number 2. How many approaches are there which can be used for exonucleotic activity in double-stranded DNA of molecules? Option A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. The correct option is option B, 2. MCQs number 3. Which is mode of action of exonuclease 3? Option 1. Exonuclease 3 act on single-stranded DNA in 3 to 5 direction. Exonuclease 3 act on double-stranded DNA 5 to 3 direction. Option C is exonucleases act as single-stranded DNA in 5 to 3 direction. D is exonuclease 3 act on double-stranded DNA in 3 to 5 direction. The correct option is option D. Exonuclease 3 act on double-stranded DNA in 3 to 5 direction. MCQs 4. Which of the following statement is correct regarding to S1 nuclease? It acts on double-stranded DNA. It acts on single-stranded DNA. It acts on both stranded. D. It is obtained from E. coli. The correct option is option B. It acts on single-stranded DNA. MCQs number 5. What is the function of methylase? Option A is addition of methyl group to DNA. B is removal of methyl group from DNA. C is both in removal and addition of methyl group from DNA. D is it is used in production of methane gas. The correct option is option A. Addition of methyl group to the DNA. MCQs number 6. Methylase is useful in cloning experiment. Is it true or false? The correct option is option A. It is true. MCQs of categories of ligation reaction. MCQs number 1. Ligation is defined as option A is alignment of only double-stranded DNA molecules at the end and transformation of phosphodiester bond between both the strand. B is alignment of either of double-stranded or single-stranded DNA molecules and formation of glycosidic bond between both the strand. Option C is alignment of either of double-stranded or single-stranded DNA molecules and the formation of phosphodiester bond. The bond can be between either one or both strands. This is correct option. MCQs number 2. If only one bond is broken in sugar phosphate backbone, it is called gap, nick, break, leakage. The correct option is option B. It is called nick. MCQs number 3. How many categories of ligation reaction are there on? 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct option is option B, 2. MCQs number 4. In the case of blunt end ligation, blunt ends can be generated by option A is simply the action of transcription endocrinase which give straight end. B. Polishing of staggered end. C. Both the action of restriction endonucleases which give straight end and polishing of staggered end. D. by the action of restriction endonucleases which gives staggered in. The correct option is option C. MCQs number 5. The ligation reaction is more efficient in which case? Blunt end ligation, sticky end ligation, both have the same efficiency, depend on reaction condition. The correct option is option B, sticky end ligation. MCQs number 6. The sticky end are held together by which type of bonds? Hydrogen, covalent, ionic, van der Waals forces. The correct option is option A, hydrogen bond. MCQs number 7. What are effect of increasing concentration of reaction component? A, it increases the chances of ligation in both intermolecular and intramolecular reaction. B, it increases chances of ligation only in intermolecular and no effect on intramolecular. C is, it decreases chances of ligation in intramolecular and increase in that of intermolecular. The correct option is option B. It increases chances of ligation only in intermolecular and no effect in intramolecular. Enzymes for ligation. MCQs number 1. Enzymes commonly used for carrying out ligation reaction is transferase, reverse transcriptase, ligase, DNase. The correct option is option C, ligase. MCQs number 2. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to T4 DNA ligase? It can carry out only blunt ended ligation. B is, it is does not require ATP. C is, it is required a phosphate group at 3 end and a hydroxyl group at 5 end for the molecules to be joined. D is, it is obtained from T4 bacteriophage upon infect by E. coli. The correct option is option D. It is obtained from T4 bacteriophage upon infection by E. coli. MCQs number 3. If blunt-ended ligation are to be carried out, which of the following enzymes can be used? E. coli DNA ligase, T4 DNA ligase. Both of these enzymes act equally in carrying out blunt-ended ligation. Number 4 is none of them is able to carry out blunt-ended ligation. The correct option is option B, T4 DNA ligase enzyme is. MCQs 4. E. coli DNA ligase does not require a factor. True or false? It is false. MCQs number 5. Mechanism of ligation for both tDNA ligase and E. coli DNA ligase make use of AMP, adenosine monophosphate. Which of step is involved in ligation of mechanism? Option 1 is AMP is added to 5' phosphate of one of the DNA molecules. B, it leads to liberation of ferrophosphate from NAD and actinamide mononucleotide from ATP. C is the AMP is further displaced by an electrophilic attack. D, the AMP is further displaced by nucleophilic attack by 3-hydroxy of the same of DNA molecules. The correct option is option A. AMP is added to 5' phosphate of one of the DNA molecules. 6. Piezomerase is also an enzyme which is used for carrying out ligation. The correct statement for topoisomerase is they act only on double-stranded molecules. They alter the degree of supercoiling of DNA molecules. They are less effective than conventional DNA ligase. There are three types of topoisomerase. The correct option is option B. They alter the degree of supercoiling of DNA molecules. MCQs number 7. Mobile genetic element can be transferred from one DNA portion to another. The enzyme carrying out of this is ligase, transcriptase, C. transposase, D. endonuclease. The correct option is option C. transposase. MCQs number 8. Phage based recombination system are used for option A is cleaving the molecules at specific site, B is adding the molecules at specific site, C is breakage and rejoining the molecules at specific site, D is breakage at random site. The correct option is option C, breakage and rejoining the molecules at specific. MCQs number 9. Bacteriophage lambda is having a phage recombination system. Following are the characteristics of this system is it is used for inserting phage genome into the bacterium. Option B is it is used for inserting bacterial genome into phage. C is the specific site in bacteria is ATTB and that in phage is ATTP. The correct option is option A. It is used for inserting phage genome into the bacteria. MCQs 10. Ligation enzymes are used for ligation newly synthesized Okazaki fragment, which hold true for Okazaki fragment. Option 1 is Okazaki fragment or short fragment of DNA formed on leading strand. B. Okazaki fragment or large fragment of DNA formed on lagging strand. C. Okazaki fragment or short fragment of DNA formed on lagging strand. Option 4 is Okazaki fragment or large fragment of DNA formed on leading strand. The correct option is option C. Okazaki fragment or short fragment of DNA formed on lagging strand.